Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
I will show the only way to make Apple Music play louder on your iPhone. First, set the iPhone volume to 100% using the side buttons or control center. Next, open Settings and navigate to Music. Turn off Sound Check and set the volume limit slider to maximum. Also disable Reduce Loud Sounds in Settings to avoid automatic attenuation. Then open the Music app and choose the EQ preset Late Night to increase perceived loudness. These combined changes raise playback volume without hardware changes. On a Mac, follow these steps to make Apple Music louder and clearer. First, set the Mac system volume to 100% and confirm the output balance is centered. Open the Music app preferences and turn off Sound Check to prevent normalization. In the Music app equalizer, choose Late Night to compress dynamics and raise perceived loudness. If you still need more volume, connect a USB DAC or a powered speaker for extra output. These software and hardware steps together maximize Apple Music volume reliably. Choose the right headphones and follow safety rules for louder playback without harm. Use quality wired headphones or a powered speaker to get higher true output than phone speakers. If you rely on Bluetooth, ensure the device supports aptX or AAC for cleaner loudness. For more gain, consider a portable headphone amplifier or USB DAC between your source and headphones. Always monitor listening time and keep volume below harmful exposure levels to protect your hearing. These precautions let you enjoy louder Apple Music safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.